When you search for budget automotive paint guns, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Aeropro R500 LVLP Spray Gun. Let's kick things off with the Aeropro R500 LVLP Air Spray Gun. Priced at $74.99, this gun immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and the promise of a smooth finish. If you want a reliable paint gun that minimizes overspray while maximizing paint utilization, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The R500 operates at a lower volume of air, requiring just 3 to 3.9 CFM, which means it uses less paint and delivers a more consistent application. With a pattern width of 180 to 280, you can cover more area in less time, which is fantastic for those larger projects. Plus, the inclusion of multiple nozzle sizes, 1.3, 1.5, 1.7 allows you to switch easily between different types of coatings, making it versatile enough for both automotive and household use. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, indicating that many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the weight being slightly heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit hefty, many users appreciate the durability that comes with it. If you're planning on using it for extended periods, just be prepared for that extra weight. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to tackle various painting tasks. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight for quick touch-ups. At this price point, you're getting great value for a well-rounded spray gun. Now, if the Aeropro's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Automotive HVLP Spray Gun. Next up is the Automotive HVLP Spray Gun, available for just $23.39. This budget-friendly option caught my attention because it promises a lot of versatility without breaking the bank. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable spray gun, this one's worth a serious look. The gravity feed design helps reduce material waste, which is a big deal when you're trying to save money. Users have noted that the trigger action is smooth, making it easy to control, and it has a respectable rating of 4.2 stars from nearly 750 reviews. This means it's quite popular among those who appreciate its functionality at a low price. However, some users pointed out that it can sputter if not properly adjusted. Here's the thing though, with a little practice and proper setup, you can minimize this issue. It's a common learning curve for most beginners. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a no-frills option for small projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium finish, as it might require some tweaking to get just right. At this price, you can't really go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your painting needs. Product number 3, Gatolic HVLP Spray Gun. Now let's check out the Gatolic HVLP Spray Gun, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention here is the inclusion of a comprehensive kit that seems ideal for various painting applications. If you want a solid spray gun that comes with everything you need, this might be the one. Its high-precision atomization and adjustable settings mean you can customize your spray to get that perfect finish, whether you're working on cars or furniture. Plus, the disposable cup system allows you to save time on cleaning, which is a huge plus for anyone who hates the hassle of cleanup. It's rated 4.3 stars based on 278 reviews, so folks seem to enjoy its performance. On the downside, some users mention that it might take a bit of time to figure out the right settings. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the results can be very rewarding. It's just a matter of practice. This is perfect for you if you want a complete kit that simplifies the painting process. Skip this one if you're looking for something straightforward that you can use right out of the box without adjustment. At this price, you're getting a nice balance of functionality and value. Now, if you liked the idea of the disposable cups but want something even more efficient, check out the next product. Product number 4, Bentokel R500 LVLP Spray Gun. Next on the list is the Bentokel R500 LVLP spray gun, retailing at $71.24. This one piqued my interest due to its emphasis on efficiency and reduced cleanup time. If you want an effective tool for painting without the cleanup hassle, this is worth considering. This means you get more coverage with less waste, which is fantastic for larger jobs. Plus, with 3 different nozzle sizes included 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7, you can easily adapt to different painting needs. It's rated 4.4 stars from 46 reviews, suggesting that users appreciate its performance for both DIY and professional projects. However, some users felt that the trigger could be a bit stiff at first. Here's my take: with a little use, it tends to loosen up, making it easier to handle over time. It might just need a bit of breaking in. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and efficient gun for various applications. Skip this one if you need an immediate solution without any initial adjustments. For the price, it's a good investment for anyone serious about painting. Now, if the efficiency of the Bentokel intrigued you, the last product on our list might just blow you away. Product number 5, Xilinx HVLP Spray Gun. Finally, we have the Xilinx HVLP spray gun priced at $50.99. What I found compelling about this product is its comprehensive package that seems to cover all bases. If you want a versatile gun that includes everything for a variety of tasks, this is worth checking out. With a paint utilization rate of 65% and a pressure range of 2.535 bar, it's designed to minimize waste while delivering a smooth finish. Users have rated it 4.2 stars from 188 reviews, indicating that many are happy with its performance. That said, some users noted that the lightweight design could feel a bit flimsy. But here's the reality: it's designed to be easy to handle during long projects. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one kit that's easy to manage. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier, more robust option. Given its features, you really get solid value here. So there you have it. We covered the Aeropro R500, Hotorda HVLP, Gatolic HVLP, Bentokel R500, and Xilinx HVLP spray guns. Each has its strengths, whether it's efficiency, versatility, or budget-friendly pricing. Take your pick based on what matters most to you, and happy painting.